Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making these beautiful long-stemmed roses out of 10 circles. It's a lot easier than it looks and it comes out gorgeous. So let's get started. The first step in making these long stem roses will be to cut out 10 circles. You can decide whether you want to add the red ridging to it or if you want to leave it plain. So I've cut out my 10 circles. I'm going to do it with the red edging. So all you do is take a Sharpie, and I like to lay it on its side and add your red edging. You obviously can do it with pink, yellow, anything you would like. And just go ahead and do it on both sides. And just like magic, I now have the 10 circles. Once you have your 10 circles, you're going to go ahead and cut halfway through the diameter, just like so. You're then going to take your circles and take a little bit of the white glue. I like to just use my finger with that. And you're going to shape your circles like this. As you can see, it comes together very quickly and it gives a really nice dimension to your roses. You're then going to take a piece of paper. In this case, I'm using an old page from the same book, and you're going to go ahead and roll it. And then make sure you remove whatever you're rolling it with so it doesn't get caught in there. You're going to want your roll to be pretty tight. So roll, 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 roll. It's almost like you're making a straw. Make sure there's glue towards the end. And then this will be the stem to our rose. So the next step is you're going to start curling your rose petals around. So make sure you have plenty of glue. And for this first one, it's going to wrap onto itself. So it'll be the very center of the rose. Now add some more glue. And this time I'm going to go opposite from this side, from where I just was. And curl that around. More glue. Once you have your flower formed, it'll look like that. Now I like to add a leaf. So for my leaf, I put a little bit of glue on the side of the straw. And go ahead and I attach my leaf. Kind of fold it over on itself so it's a little bit more realistic. And there you have this beautiful long-stemmed rose.